Are you tired of opening each email one by one just to mark them as read on Gmail? Well, good news. With the new update, you can now mark multiple emails as read right from the home page. Let me show you how. First, go to gmail.com on your PC. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a list of all your emails. Next, simply check the boxes next to the emails that you want to mark as read. You can select multiple emails by clicking on the boxes of each email. Now, look at the top of the page for the envelope icon. It's usually located near the search bar. Click on the envelope icon to mark all the selected emails as read. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can easily mark multiple emails as read without having to open each one individually. This new update on Gmail makes it more convenient and efficient to manage your inbox. So next time you have a bunch of unread emails to go through, just follow these simple steps to quickly mark them all as read from the homepage. Happy organizing!